All right, hello guys, so welcome to this channel. So I want to quickly walk you through what is going on with CAC. Don't forget that they went through a maintenance some few days ago, I think on Friday, last week Friday. And right now, logging in has become an issue. So figured it out now, and I want to quickly walk you guys through how you can get to set up your account. So either you're an accredited agent or you have an individual account and are finding it difficult to set it up. So in this video, I'll walk you through how you can successfully set it up. So all you need to do is subscribe to this channel and follow me for more videos like this. So without any further ado, let me go into the video in detail. So I'll be sharing my screen with you right now. So I believe you can see my screen. All you need to do is come to their portal, icrp.cac.gov.ng. So this is very important. So once you come to the website, you come and log in with your details. You come to click on login, and then you log in with your exact details. That means the exact details you have currently. All right, guys. So once you click on login, it will bring up a dashboard that looks like this, showing you what you need to log in, what your password is, what your username is. So depending on the option you want to use to log in, either you want to use your username, or you want to use your email address, or you want to use your phone number or your accredited agent number, you can decide to use those details to log in. So right now, I'll be using my username and password to log in right away. So the password has been inserted. All I need to do is click on login. Now, once I click on login, it will bring up this page. Now, this is more or less a layer of protection that CAC is trying to put on the account, right? So you can see protect your account. We require an extra layer of security for your account. Two-step verification. Each time you sign in, you enter a code from your Authenticator app along with your password. So these are the major requirements to log in. Now, it's not like before that once you log in, just get an OTP. Now they expect you to have a Google Authenticator. So on your second phone, go and install Google Authenticator, right? Go and do that now. So if you have installed Google Authenticator on your phone, you can click on setup. So once you click on setup, it will not allow you to set up. It will come up with this error. The error is saying that please reset your password before setting up. So that means they don't want you to use your former password. You just have to come here, click on reset your password. So click on reset your password. Once you click on reset your password, you have to put in the email address associated with the account you want to log into. So I'll put in my email address and then I'll click on submit. So I've inserted my own email address and all I need to do is click on submit. So I've clicked on submit. Once you click on submit, all right, so once the password reset has been successfully done, right? So you've gotten a code in your email. So you check your email address, right? So you see a message that looks like this. Sorry for my screen. So you see a message that looks like this, showing you that reset your password with request, blah, 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 blah. So once you get the password sent, so that code, that password reset code will be put here. So you type in that code here, the one you check from your email to put in that code here. Your email address is already here. Now the new password you want to set, you put the new password here as well. So once you are done with that, then you click on submit to reset your password. All right, so once that is done successfully, that means you have successfully changed your password, right? Once the code is entered, the code you got in your email, you have entered it, put in the new password you want to put in, and then you click on submit. Then that means you're good to log in with the new password. So all you need to do is insert your username or your email address or your phone number or your accredited agent number, whatever it is, and then put in the password, new password you've inserted, and then you're good to log in. So let me try that and log in right away. So after inserting the right password, now it will bring you up to continue the second process. Don't forget, right now you have reset your password, right? So it will not bring up the error again. Now you can go ahead to the Google Authenticator part. I hope this is not a complicated process for those of you who don't get the process, right? So the first thing we did was that we had to change the password, and you had to do the reset your password here at this option after your password has been reset successfully by using the code that was sent to your email address. Then you can come back to this website, log in with the new email address. So you come here and log in with the new password. So once you log in with the new password, then you'll be good to go, and it will bring you to this step where you can continue. So you can see that when I click on setup, it will move to where I want you to go to the next stage. So I'll click on setup right now. Let's see if it will move to the next stage. If you've not properly changed your password, it will not move to the next stage. It will just load up and tell you to go and change your password before you can proceed. So let's see what's going to happen after I click on setup now. So that means there are 3 stages of verifications that need to be done. So I am currently on the first stage, and there's a pre-stage. There's the pre-steps that you need to carry out, which is the change of the password, which I've done already. So since I've changed the password, I can move on to set up the whole account now. So I'm waiting for the messages to come up. So it's saying error, it's giving me this error, token found or expired used. But let's see, this is still loading, so that means it might be good. So now it has brought me to the second stage. So on this second stage, all I need to do is to scan this QR code, right? I will scan this QR code, and you can see that you can open with your Google Authenticator on your phone. Tap the plus icon to add the account, and then scan the QR code. So I'll do that right now on my phone. I'll go to my Google Authenticator account. I want to make sure I use the same email address. So I'll go ahead. I don't know if you can see my phone properly. My screen is broken. This particular phone screen is broken. I've selected the right email address, and I'm clicking on the plus icon using the QR code part. I'm scanning the what is on the screen. I'm trying to scan it. I've scanned it, and it has brought me my first OTP. I'm showing you for the first OTP, right? So once it brings up the first OTP, I'm good to go. Then I can click on continue, and then whatever OTP it gave to me, I'm going to insert it there, right? So let me insert the OTP it has given to me, and you must do that within the period of time given. So that means the verification has been completed. I've put in the OTP correctly. So you can see that this is step 3 of 3, right? Step 3 of 3. Your account is protected. Two-step verification is active. So what next? Every sign-in requires your password. Your password is still your first line of defense. So plus code from your authenticator. So that means for anybody to sign into my account or to any of this account, you need to make sure that you have your authenticator app logged in, and you must need to get OTP every time you log in into the authenticator app, right? So that's the only way to log in. You cannot log in without authenticator app. You just click on continue to dashboard, right? Continue to dashboard, and then you can see that I've been able to successfully log into this account. So you cannot log into your account without going through all those different processes, right? All those different, you can see that this is a major hit on those doing account sharing and all those things. So how this video actually helped you. If you didn't get it the first time, you might have to watch this video more than once. I hope you've gotten a lot of value from the video. So if you have not been able to set it up, you can will you reach out to us to help you set it up? It might be a difficult process to help someone set it up, but I believe the video is a complete guide to help you set it up, so you can set up your account and make it easily, right, without any stress. So this applies to those using accredited agent account, those using individual account, that is the public user account. So enjoy yourself and make sure you subscribe to this channel, give it a thumbs up, and I'll see you in the next one. Thank you.